Hi guys, I'm Diana from Deco Destiny and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something I've been curious about for a while. In this video I'm going to try out a silicone mold that I actually bought some 6 months ago and I never used it. So this mold right here, funny story, I bought it because of its shape. So this zigzag pattern instantly reminded me of an Art Deco style that I love. But something can look great on a photo and once you got them you're not so sure anymore. So this mold is actually quite thin, it has no support shell, and I was hesitant to use it for a while. Actually consider selling and then move on, but I decided to finally test it and to see how it performs, support shell or not. So we are going to make a plaster ball using this mold, and I already pre-measured plaster powder and water to save some time. This plaster I already used before, so it's no mystery. And just a quick note, so when you buy a quality mold you usually are also provided with the information of how much plaster or cement is required to cast the shape out of it. But this mold came with no such instructions, so I had to figure it out myself. I used a little trick with water to do that, so I'll talk about it later on in the video. And now, safety first. So always wear a protective mask, and I also use protective gloves, so this is not an option. Believe me, you don't want to inhale plaster. And also from this moment on my voice will be muffled, so just to no, I probably won't be speaking a lot from this point on. You can see a small amount of fumes coming out of plaster once it was dipped in the water. I'm just letting it sit for a while before I'm going to stir it. And it's important to stir it really well to get smooth and even structure. I'm tapping to get all the bubbles out of it. That's it. We have to leave it for some 45 minutes now to set, and then we'll be able to demold it. The mold has set and now it's time to demold it to see how it turned out. It actually looks pretty nice. So there you go. This is the finished bowl that came out of this mold, and I'm really happy, considering I was unsure about this mold and I was thinking about selling it. It looks nice. If you are interested to hear about the amount of plaster, how to determine for the mold when there is no instructions provided from the seller or from the maker, how much gypsum is required, let me know in the comments and I will film another video on that topic. And if you like this little project, subscribe and please like, and see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.